Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Cleo freezing, taking forever to load, or it lags badly when you suspect it might be your iPhone storage? Here's how to check and fix it. First, go to your general, then go to iPhone storage and settings, and wait for the storage bar at the top to load completely. If your available storage shows less than 1 gigabyte free, that's very likely the cause of Cleo's freezing and lag, since that app loads live data like Cleo's needs working space to function smoothly. Scroll down to the list of apps stored by size and look for apps you've not used often. Tap on one, then tap Offload app, which removes the apps but it keeps the data so you can reinstall it later without losing anything. Repeat this for 2 or 3 unused apps to free up meaningful space. After freeing up space, go back to settings, then general, then iPhone storage, and find the Cleo app itself in the list of apps. Tap on it, tap Offload app. After offloading it, reinstall it fresh from your iPhone App Store, since Cleo will run better once it's reinstalled on a phone with breathing room. Restart your iPhone once more after freeing up space for the change to fully take effect. So all you've got to do is check your storage and settings, offload a few unused apps, then offload and reinstall Cleo itself and restart your iPhone. Cleo runs smoothly again, and that's it. Subscribe.